So question number 6, expand and simplify. So what is our question? R minus 1 by R whole square. So that is our first question in 6. So R minus 1 by R whole square. So how will you expand R minus 1 by R times R minus 1 by R? That is the meaning of R minus 1 by R whole square. So if you are expanding R times R, it becomes R square. Then R times minus 1 by R. So that is minus R times 1 by R. Then again minus 1 by R times R. Then minus 1 by R into minus 1 by R. So that is how this is expanding. So R times minus 1 by R. Then minus into minus becomes plus. 1 by R into 1 by R is 1 by R square. So what happens is R could cancel. Here also R and R could cancels. And finally we will get R square minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 by R square. So the expanded form is R square minus 2 plus 1 by R square. Now we move to the B part. So express the 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. We need to express in the form P plus Q root 2. P and Q are integers. So this is actually rationalizing the denominator. So how will you rationalize the denominator? So if you want to rationalize the denominator, you multiply numerator and denominator with its conjugates of what the denominator, whatever be the denominator, you multiply and divide it with the conjugate of that. So conjugate means instead of 3 plus 2 root 2, it becomes 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. So now you expand. Separately you multiply the numerator and separately multiply the denominator. So 1 times 3 minus 2 root 2 is 3 minus 2 root 2 itself. And 3 plus 2 root 2 times 3 minus 2 root 2 means it is 3 plus 2 root 2 times 3 minus 2 root 2. And you can see denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So it becomes 3 minus 2 root 2 by this is a and this is b. So 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. So it becomes 3 minus 2 root 2 by 9 minus 8. The answer is 3 minus 2 root 2 by 1. And hence we simplified it as 3 minus 2 root 2. So 1 over 3 plus 2 root 2 is simplified it as 3 minus 2 root 2 whole. Now move to C part of this question. See this question, use the result of part A and part B or otherwise to show that root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 2. So how will you solve this question? It is very simple. How? First of all, you write down that. So this is slightly confusing, but it's okay. Root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 by root of 3 plus 2 root 2. And we need to show this as equivalent to 2. So we'll start with our left-hand side. Left-hand side. So what is our left-hand side? Root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 by root of 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. For before that, before considering the left-hand side, so this we will be squaring both sides. Before that, I'm just squaring both sides. Okay, so what we did is square both sides. So I have my own reasons. What is the reason? You see this. This is root of 3 plus 2 root 2. So if you're considering this as R and this as 1 by R, you can obtain or you can develop in which form? R minus 1 by R. So why we are squaring both? Because I need R minus 1 by R whole square. So that's why I'm just squaring this. So 3 root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 by root of 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. So it becomes what? You can apply this formula R minus 1 by R whole square. We already expanded. What is that? We already expanded it as R square minus 2 plus 1 by R square. So here, if we can assume r as 3 plus 2 root 2, this whole square, this becomes what? R square. So r square means root of a whole square means it is just a. So what happens if I'm taking the square of this got eliminated. That means root got eliminated. So it becomes 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 3 plus root 2, and that is equal to 4. So this is what we need to prove. We need to prove that this is exactly equal to 4. So now you just consider our left hand side. So what is our LHS? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 3 plus root 2. And we already found out from this B part that 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2, 1 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2, we already found out that is 3 minus 2 root 2. So you substitute this here. So what happens? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. So what happens? 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2 got cancelled. So 3 plus 3, it is 6. 6 minus 2, it is 4. And 4 is our RHS. Hence, short, what we short? Root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 by root of 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to, that is the idea behind this question. Hope you got that.